Hi, today for the HUAWEI Nova 11i and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So open first the settings, then tap to the sounds and vibration, and you'll see here ring messages and notifications volume panel. To mute notifications, you should mute ring message and notifications volume panel, but by this way you will mute not only your notifications but also the ringtones and the messages. And if you want to mute only notifications, you should unmute this volume panel, scroll down to notification tone and switch your currently notification sound just to none. After that, just click to go back, and by this way we can see that we'll just successfully mute notifications, but you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.